Alright guys, so we will resume from previous tutorial, and in previous tutorial as you can see for our enemy one, when we copied an enemy croc, we had to delete this stickman from examiner that was inside enemy croc. And second thing that you noticed was that we went inside enemy croc, and here enemy attack script. If we edit it, so even though we were doing start attack by we were trying to play this animation by using animator controller state variable. However, that was not working. That is, even though this script was being detached. If I show you, so if I press it here, as you can see, idle animation is fine, and it's in enemy croc. So this is enemy croc, and this is enemy animations controller that is currently in the I will double click it just to show you. So this is the animation controller, and if you double click it, it will open in this window. And now we go to enemy croc again here, enemy croc, and now when we press this, as you can see, the agent starts to follow rightly, and after some times, if we increase the attack distance, as you can see, uh, when we increase the attack distance, it will start to detect and will remove the agent movement script, and hence it will stop following the player, which was fine. However, as you can see, even though this thing was called and state changed to 6, as you can see, state changed to 6, but still it didn't play the animation of armature attack. To solve this, first we will need to see why it doesn't come out of this loop, self loop, and we will simply double click this armature run, and this will open the animation setting here, and here we will turn the loop to on. We have to find the animation here inside. We have to find the loop. This is loop time, and this will be turned on, and once we will turn this on, we will save it. And since this animation is being used on multiple fronts, so what this means is that even for player animation it will be playing. So now when we play it, it kind of does this, but we didn't delete this, so we'll delete this small self arrow, and now we will play again. And now if we go here, as you can see, the enemy armature croc attacks seems to be working fine. And now we simply need to shift this back to the run animation, since we don't want to loop this animation. So once it's done attacking, it will try to follow the player again. And other than that, what we can do is yeah, I mean, what else can we do? Yeah, if so, also we will check that how main player behaves. So if I can show you in the animator controller of runner, again this self linkage is on, and we will delete it, and we will delete this too as well. And inside idle, if we double click it, go back to animation again and turn the loop time on as well, and press apply, and if you go to here, you can see run is applied here. So now we have deleted this recursive call to the component, and now it will act like this, and as you can see it attacks perfectly fine. So uh, so once so now we will so now find out uh, we can start agent script again. That is when animation of beating finishes. Another thing that we can do is yeah, let's do this. Animation of attack finishes, and let's select the animator back to Croc one, which we wanted here. Here, inside project, double click it, and this is the animation that we want. And now when the animation finishes, we will simply call it in the next video. We will show you.